Today's jobby. It's not a normal boiler installation. We're replacing a 30-year-old Vaillant boiler. Solid, bulletproof, yeah? Let me show you the job. And it's a vertical flue, and it's bloody freezing out here, yeah? Let's have a look at it. So this is the beast right here. I remember these Vaillants when I was a kid. Yeah, this is probably the first boiler I remember when I was younger. Who would have known I would be the guy to be taking them out with Curtis, eh? Solid piece of kit, mate. And we're only replacing it because it's leaking down here. You see it? Heating actually still works on this. About 30 years old, heating still works. Sorry, the flue looks good. It's off. I'm going to drop down a little bit. Select past this pipe. The flue. Is it still good? Is it holding on it? Kneel down. Let's go down with it. I got it. Hold it. Over knee. Barrel grip is on my knee. That's it. On the floor. So we managed to get this beast of a boiler on the floor. The pipes are trapped behind it, so we can get angle grinder and cut that out. Done. Now let me go see up here what we're dealing with. The light on if it works. It's going to be a good day today, isn't it? But look, we've got no support here. I have to make things work. We're ready for the lead slate now. Higher, keep it flat. So I'm going to take this tile with me to the merchants because there was already 1 or 2 roof tiles missing already because I needed a roofer. So I'm just going to go get this and put that up there. I'll go get 2 anyway. You know your roof tile is missing. One of them had a hole in it, right? Yeah. Do you want me to go get you a spare roof tile from the suppliers and just fit one for you?
So then you won't need a roofer. Because I've managed to like put the flue in, and it's the same principle. And we just slot in a tile back in, basically. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be good.
Because when I took the old one out, the one next to it crumbled as well. There were two broken, not one.
And they said it was progressively getting worse.
Yeah.
Started off as quite a small hole and then it was getting bigger. Yeah.
So what I'll do, I'll just go grab one and put it, and then
Stick that on.
Yeah. That's fine. All right then. I'll see. Water is been off, yeah. Okay. I'll let him know. If you're probably talking about 2 hours, 2-3 hours.
I've got to say hello.
Hello.
Tell you one thing, yeah, I think roofers are the strongest in the trade. I'm not saying 3 tiles are heavy, yeah, but if they're having to carry these bloody things up roofs, roofers must be solid. While I'm walking down the road, I'll give you an update on the job. So got the roof tiles, asked the customer, she said yeah, sound, sort the roof tiles. Curtis is hanging the boiler, it's done. Got a few more bits that I need to get for tomorrow's job, such as copper pipe and tube and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go grab that. Customer wants some water as well, so I'm gonna go grab some water and back to the job. So I'm in the van driving back. You can see the flue there. So while I've been gone, let's see what Curtis has got up to. So he's piped the boiler. Flow return, well, what's missing? Clips. So I'm gonna do the roof tiles at the end, get on with the flue so I can use natural sunlight. Goodbye, my friend. You will be missed. Yeah, grip this. Flue's done, felting's back in, and I've even managed to replace that tile which was already cracked before I got here. Pipe work on the boiler done. Clips I call that spaghetti junction. Curtis did it while I was there, so now we're going to do the condense pipe. Yeah, so condense is going to run through here and under there. Boiler repair or some type of service to go to now. Curtis still got bits and bobs to do, stat, condense, flushing.
Before this, some of these, what do you call these valves? The pins were stuck, so the radiator was anyway. And before that, the problem was that the boiler was shutting itself every 20 seconds.
So I'm back on the job to help Curtis finish off. There's the 40mm coming through the wall. Overflow, overflow, all the way there. There's the drop.
Can you believe
Back on the board. There it is.